Figured this was a good place to start a video this morning. Sun hitting up there. Frost here where it's shaded. Everything out there is still frosty. Shop roof is frosty. Machine shed roof. This side of the house roof isn't. Too close to the trees, I guess. And sun's coming up over there. No, Minnie doesn't have a calf on the ground yet. She was laying in a different position this morning. She's a creature of habit. I thought, well, maybe she's got one between her and the feeder. No such luck. And my knee feels wonderful this morning. Took the mail up. Oregon mail-in ballots, right? Yeah. We haven't had a Republican governor since the very first mail-in ballots happened. We've had one that made it close enough that they said, hey, no, we won, you didn't. And then, of course, oh, well, we can't recount them. Had it gone the other way, they would have. So anyway, in the headline here, I didn't realize that was a word. I mean, my brain took that as voters hold a dismal view of elected officials. I don't know what abysmal means, honest. That was not a vocabulary word when I was in school. At least not one they ever taught us. So that's what kind of made me think about, mail-in ballots. And ours are in the mail today. For whatever that's worth, which generally ain't much. Because to this day, I know literally less than 1% of the people that I know voted for who's in office. And keep in mind, we're 30 miles from Portland. What's that tell you? We're right at the edge of dumbass central. But anyway, I figured this was a good opportunity just for a little bit of scenery since the sun's out. And it's not cloudy. And app on my phone says we've got 10 days of this, maybe 11. I don't know. We'll see. Because 2 days ago, we only had 3 days of this. I figured I'd show you Iceman, how they work out here. Yeah, he meets me, and I push him back and tell him, get down. I'd tip you down further, but, Hey, No. Go figure. He hasn't been that way in a few days. But he's figured out that he comes over here. What are you doing blocking me? You can't put it in there if you're blocking me. And then he's content for a bit and out of my way. Then I can get their buckets to him. I think we'll just do heifer talk from here, because my knee hurts, so after I step over this board, I'm going to bring the buckets in and just feed them if I can get up there. So. Ladies. Okay, that's a yes. You would like breakfast? We got Hopey Dope. Oh, there's Miss Brat back there. And if we look way in the back, there's her mother. Where's Cowboy hiding? Huh? Who's hiding him? I think he's against the feeder next to... No, maybe not. Never mind.
Is he in the wrong?
Good morning, Blakely. Oh, come on. She was just all giggly and happy. Hey, come back here. Hey. Oh, come here, you.
What are you? You don't want to be on camera this morning?
What's the matter?
Let me hold the camera and then I'll be on it.
She's got a good hold of it.
Say hi, everybody.
She almost
Say
has her finger
hi,
over the lip.
everybody. You say hi, everybody.
Okay, well,
Hey,
there.
go, hey.
You got to see her. She just got here.
Oh, you get
And
rainy
yes,
kisses.
I'm sitting
I'll
there
get those rainy kisses. Oh,
taking a
good
load off my knee for a
job.
bit and finishing my coffee. Getting there. Tags, tattoos. That one's done. She's only got 103-degree temp. So she got treated. Hopefully one round does it because they're going out today. And we're going to find out what the other one is here in a minute. And no, haven't got much done. Becky and I had to go to town earlier, pick some stuff up. So.
Don't do that, kid.
And that one, pretty feisty. Got a hoof on Ty's wrist, so now she's got a sore wrist.
Yeah.
Two cows checking on the same calf. They do that. Oh yeah, she still ain't done nothing yet. It looks like the calf is all out the left side. That's far enough out there. There could be two of them rolling around in there. I don't know.
Well, she's dropped.
So
She's actually dropped. 1027.
1027, and the calf's been laying there not doing anything. And it's still going up. So guess what? Yeah, they both have it. Go figure.
1029.
Hey, I finally got up here. You don't want to know how fun that was. And keep in mind, I am as far forward as I can go. Fender comes to here. So that's all arm's length. And then go to the other side and get that. But top's off. And right there is a receiver dryer. And it's not the same one that they sent. Which wouldn't bother me any, except this has fitting at one end, fitting at the other end. That one is a short tube off of a hose, but the hose ain't gonna reach any farther. This one, it's a solid tube, comes around here, and buried in this, that should be, keep in mind I said should be, the expansion valve. And I have no idea if it's the right one or not. So Becky is currently calling to find out if they sent us the wrong shit. You saw what the other one looked like. This is your ports on this one. Wire plugs in there. Nothing on that end. And it's bigger. Well, longer, smaller diameter though. Probably the same physical size in reality. And the expansion valve is not this one. That looks just like the ones that's on the Case IH, not the IH. So, but the good thing is we got two tractors that'll fit. One of them needs to get done. This part number is 990-119K for the Case IH 90 series and 94 series is what I could come up with. The part number for that is 990-315K, and it looks like it fits all the 88 series internationals. And it's still crazy that they put the frickin' receiver dryer up there, and it's not an easy spot to get it out. So yeah, now we got to do everything over again. We came to town. Becky and I went to town this morning too, but that was something for us. This is, we got a few veggie plants from right in there, and some flowers for Mom to plant in her pots on the deck, which Tyler then will be doing.
Her waste petunias that she dearly loves.
And now we're gonna grab dinner. Why? Well, because we're here and it's close enough.
And Becky's lazy.
And then tomorrow, since it's too late today to call back east, well, actually she'll probably do it on her computer tonight. Now that we have an account with APR, she's gonna get the right kit ordered, and hopefully we can get things going. In the meantime, we're gonna order dinner. So thanks for watching. Hope you all had a great hump day, and everybody has a great Thursday.
No.